Greetings, esteemed individuals of the online community. Welcome back to our esteemed platform, where we delve into the realm of captivating and innovative subjects. Today, we will be discussing a highly intriguing subject that has garnered significant attention on a global scale: cryptocurrency. For those who may have been out of touch with current events, rest assured that I am here to provide you with comprehensive coverage. Below, I present a comprehensive overview of 10 key aspects pertaining to cryptocurrency that are crucial for one's understanding. Cryptocurrency refers to a digital or virtual form of currency that utilizes cryptography for secure financial transactions, control the creation of additional units, and verify the transfer of assets. It operates independently. Cryptocurrency refers to a digitized or virtual medium of exchange that leverages cryptographic techniques to ensure the security and integrity of financial transactions. In contrast to conventional government-issued currencies, cryptocurrencies function autonomously without the oversight of a central authority. The operational mechanics and underlying principles of the system are of utmost importance to comprehend. Cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized technological framework known as blockchain. Envision a transparent and immutable ledger, accessible to the public, wherein every single transaction is meticulously documented and logged. In the realm of financial transactions, each instance of a transaction undergoes a process of encryption, subsequent inclusion into the chain, and validation by participants within the network. This meticulous procedure guarantees both transparency and security. Mining refers to the process of extracting valuable minerals or other geological materials from the Earth's crust. It involves various techniques and technologies to locate, extract, and process these resources for commercial. Mining is a crucial procedure in the financial ecosystem, whereby transactions are meticulously verified and subsequently appended to the blockchain. Miners employ sophisticated computational algorithms through powerful computing systems to tackle intricate mathematical quandaries, thereby receiving remuneration in the form of digital currency. The current market conditions can be likened to a contemporary iteration of the historical gold rush phenomenon. To initiate a purchase of cryptocurrencies, one must first establish an account on a reputable cryptocurrency exchange platform. Following the account creation process, it is crucial to complete the necessary verification procedures to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. In order to commence, it is imperative to establish an account on a reputable cryptocurrency exchange platform. These platforms facilitate the acquisition, divestment, and exchange of cryptocurrencies utilizing conventional fiat currency or alternative cryptocurrencies. There exist various classifications of cryptocurrencies, each with its unique characteristics and underlying technologies. These classifications encompass a range of digital assets that have emerged in the decentralized finance landscape. Cryptocurrencies can be broadly categorized into three main types. 1. Bitcoin and altcoins. Bitcoin, being the pioneering cryptocurrency, represents the first type. Altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and numerous other cryptocurrencies represent a mere fraction of the vast array of digital assets available in the market. Cryptocurrencies exhibit distinct functionalities, ranging from acting as a means of preserving wealth to facilitating the execution of intelligent agreements and decentralized applications. The legality of cryptocurrency is a topic of great interest and significance within the financial landscape. The regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies exhibits significant heterogeneity across different jurisdictions. Certain nations have enthusiastically adopted cryptocurrency, acknowledging its inherent possibilities, whereas others exercise prudence or have implemented regulatory measures. Conducting thorough research and gaining a comprehensive understanding of the legal and regulatory framework within your jurisdiction is of utmost importance. Cryptocurrency, a digital form of currency, has gained significant traction in recent years and has found utility across various sectors. Let us explore the diverse applications of cryptocurrency. 1. E-commerce. Cryptocurrency has become increasingly popular as a means of payment in online transactions. Numerous online retailers and platforms now accept cryptocurrencies are experiencing widespread adoption across diverse industries, encompassing e-commerce, travel, real estate, and online gaming. In recent times, an increasing number of online retailers and businesses have embraced the adoption of cryptocurrencies as a viable means of transaction. This innovative concept serves as a gateway to the prospective landscape of the financial industry. Ensuring the security of your cryptocurrency holdings is of paramount importance. Safeguarding your digital assets requires a comprehensive approach that encompasses various measures. Here are some key strategies to consider in order to maintain the safety of your cryptocurrency. Utilize a secure wallet. Opt for a reputable cryptocurrency wallet that offers robust security features. Look for wallets ensuring the safeguarding of your cryptocurrency is of utmost importance, akin to any other valuable asset in your portfolio. Investors have the option to safeguard their digital currencies through various means such as utilizing a hardware wallet, a software wallet, or securely storing them on a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. As a prudent investor, it is imperative that you prioritize the protection and preservation of your investment portfolio. The inherent risks and volatility associated with the subject matter at hand are of utmost importance to consider. The cryptocurrency markets exhibit significant volatility, characterized by swift and frequent price fluctuations. It is imperative to comprehend the inherent risks, conduct comprehensive research, and seek the guidance of industry experts prior to making any investment determinations. It is imperative to acknowledge that possessing knowledge is indeed a source of great power. The prospective outlook for cryptocurrency in the coming years. Cryptocurrency possesses the inherent capacity to fundamentally transform the existing financial ecosystem. With the increasing adoption of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology by individuals and institutions, there is a potential for a paradigm shift in global value exchange and business operations. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching this insightful revelation regarding the realm of cryptocurrency. For both technology enthusiasts and inquisitive investors alike, the world of cryptocurrency presents an intriguing expedition into the domain of digital finance. Maintain an inquisitive mindset, continue to delve into new opportunities, and I shall rendezvous with you in the subsequent video. Until such time, exercise caution and maintain a high level of knowledge and expertise in the realm of cryptocurrencies.